Omayanko Junior home. Party ne say ye say dun get ya. Make a true. On na say party no.
NDC
party say dun get ya say party no. Na me say I am a day.
National chairman.
Yes. Are you not aware? Say our President Eddie, or person successfully President Mahama.
And the
Eddie no ye.
Oh yeah, thank you to.
Oh no, thank you to the whole year, 1.5 years. As chairman of the NDC.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagana and Sam TV so. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabinet watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Dan, if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President, I major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir. Kwayedi or baby agenda NPP. So the Munim your opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo President. Now also the upper by Mbia so selkebi. Na my kan yi you were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amre am fa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Mbami amade na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch Ghana mabunu nyina se amanyosem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyosem nye mprint ne amanyosem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabi, it is all your software. Oh, yeah, ordinary Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, educationist. Oh, yeah, medical doctor. Oh, yeah, once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I did be a home bachelor.
Omayanko Junior home. Party ne say ye say dun get ya. Make a true. On na say party no.
NDC
party say dun get ya say party no. Na me say I am a day. National chairman.
Yes.
Are you not aware? Say our President Eddie, or person successfully President Mahama.
And the
say Eddie no ye.
Oh yeah, thank you to.
Oh no, thank you to the whole year, 1.5 years. As chairman of the NDC. I didn't your party in there. Thank you to thank you to.
He's the chairman of the party.
If you are the chairman, you are not a chairman for yourself. You are a chairman for the party. So let us see, say a party in the move and a wool lady. But this one, or say, me catch it almost say, see, we near me, my baby dancing. He was speaking in his capacity as a chairman. So he should be acting in the capacity as a chairman of the NDC. The Oyaogu party. The papa.
So you think, sir, thank you, Tornes, chairman, I said, don't get your air, no.
A campaign tour. Me say I said, don't get your air campaign tour. Thank you, tour.
But, sir, and you know, and after election, the party no really hasn't seen that reason, say, and say you call round now, you call das.
It is John Dramani Mahama call round. Uncle Region Bianco das. Why, yeah?
Oguso.
Why, you cry, President Mahama. Now, I said, get another ballot sheet. So,
Debbie.
It's your non President Mahama. No, when they say, not to derogate me the new source, when the President Mahama, why? And I saw for that. There's a president here and 1 year now. Was president not in the Ashanti region? Was the president not in the Greater Accra to thank people? Why in the regional tour every area does? And then I said, now vice president say, vice president Claudia Betiaka said, we had the way our constitution has been structured that she was on the ballot, although not physically present on the ballot. But she was on the ballot because before the president, you better accept, you have to tell Ghanaians who your vice is. So when we are going to vote, we have the vice president in mind before we cast our vote. Not
now, after your mark in case you are the Supreme Court or so, someone says, Honorable Agbangbagben, declare seat to be vacant at our parliament because now one man speaker, one man making it known to him, say, Omoko independence. Sunday no, not Supreme Court judges. Omunya juma. But fali case na nopa. Emma former Chief Justice Tokuno etimi asabo e panel Supreme Court judges. Emma mo tirasi yejuma ma the ruling. Hey. ono ma afanya market na de na asesa begin udi kan be describe Ghana court no say kangaroo court na afa hudi say so wo say yare man di abranya onti ase enti no wo be disrespect judge no and wo for buo bia ama no. And so you see minority leader no do no di adi mu na sem o kani na nkura no mo di a kire nso be den what is that background or no mo ka wabon more fire. There's nothing wrong with it. But what you call
150.
When you talk about one, they will come after you in 3 posts. In 3 posts in a day. The best and the worst you can do is to insult. The best and the worst you can do. In 3 posts now more cano to insult. Nothing else. Nothing more, nothing less. But you feel say momo ye nipa che obi momo betimi adidi obi atem but mono obi ntimi ni matem. Who are you? Who the hell are you? So Honorable Afanyamake feels that he can disrespect the court, but somebody cannot disrespect Dr. Bawumia or any NPP person. Eti wona wo ye leader no wanu masem ni no aka to ho na enkran ntwamwa no omudi wachi no na omo so aba besom na omo so abo kakọ. But Kaimu said, maybe a chamu. The same judges now would disrespect woman. The same judges and I would use one and they have you away. The same courts and I would use ya and in yadia whoop. The same court now and ne would disrespect no. Honorable Afanyamake, it is the same court that you used some time ago to have your way. What change? Is it because today is a war opposition theater? Is it because I want you say the course of court and kwaba won court no nya adwenti no na say automatically no enya papa. So what here abronya case na akasamu a he was rearrested at the court because me tell ya na say eda na also court no wanko etu akwa na mo rearrest no mo remand no me patcho say ni mramu a Honorable Afanyamake you know the right thing to do and then I won't file for appeal. And then, because you are a lawyer. And when you're a lawyer, watch your hodum. Yeah, per lawyers are one match, you are one of them. It would to me catch me say, unim processor, who met me Eddie Afoswa, when you are branya say, you're being every BNI. You know.
Why ye? And I won't see where we bring this come to school. Also, be a school, you say, Bianco free no. Won't but I don't go for school no.
Well,
school no, I am man, Would you? Oh, you know, I'm them. Oh, some question, my man, what am I so any day, man? Or be a so Bianco school in free no. And then see, we have to go and I say, run school no, double track, gold, and then green. I just said any popcorn to some school, but no this car. That should tell you, say, now you're wasting your human resources. Because I can't be used a JHS no 14 years. 14 years we need quite obey a receipt because BEC and receipt. So automatically is Akrano, the life I ended.
Tinadu ama.
Karabe Bremuko school. Eti, Mikayo Seni Pano, why ya dear? A chain na betiase. Okay? Yama me Asantini. Asante for my form the shama. Asante for papa for Omonshe and my Omosho Fasie. Eti asantini maami biano adwena woni tim se ne ba ebesi yi eti tama ye ko secondary school no ye maami mu ni skam de no mo ye no mo ton mo ntoma ye fa na afrete ne ntoma na wa yusu no abobo na de kono akoton no be da be twa school fees eti ye maami mo eti free SHS na se hwe maami bia obeka jo se free SHS nya papa no he bada a teacher, no, Asante for my phone.
SHS enya de papa no.
Yes, Asante for my first na make on. Because Antini mami baby and the ba echo school bia 1970, 1980, 1990. Almost sani manasi. Because adia yana sell mami wo dwom na ya pamu school fees. Na obeko na mami o tete. But ne baby and the ba be ma ba ko peno. On shall my own say. Shall we say, am I be brave uncle school? You must say, am I be brave uncle school? Because let's can you fear Eti ne ye hwa na diska na ma be man say ye ma be man ko school na oba ne ntino fie. Akufo Dubai ne e ma ko school ma ko school. You see, these are some of the things that people don't want to hear. And when I say it, people say, "Oh, akwa there, we NPP, ni NPP ni o." Me LPG. We are there na ya be catch us adia we ye.
Is it be an another bribe? Will be an now more scaby. Bawa dear.
That be on. I saw me kind no. And the crana say no correct. I saw me catch this ye. And the crana say no. Say go for the ento man. Who was saying to man bi ana. When I go to Obama go for this year. Who was saying to Obama no. Ana me wa. Eti ne time atwa moko. But what ye name papa aboa me wo fast for. Me 3 years. Fortunately for me nyina me wo mo abuchi me nyina ko school abuchi. Me ba pia ni wo no ma ebe hia ne da.
Na me minimum dada.
Me ba pia no bi hia ne da. Do you know why? They tell him me ba pia that say me na me do ma wo mo abuchi. What I say? It is ono ko anya adwuma ban be tua ne ka.
Well grounded.
Exactly. Na me ba no so wanya adwuma no so be on there osora obe leave obe flee keke.
Eti yanhwe situation.
Ni 1 million coders na enmebunu na be register wie na would redirect you to Google. Sam George, where are the laptops? Where is the money? Because I do not want to believe that the Ghana today for the better abontin say what blow 10 million out of that can say what they are talking for supervisors. Supervisors or more supervisor the Google. Mr. Google ni ya driver the honum and what talkers they are supervisors. You cannot tell me, Sam George, you cannot tell me say what the 10 million Ghana cedis in one talkers. And the ama supervisor so almost fan supervisor there. So 50 million now was spent on the so-called supervisors. No, who are the supervisors, Sam George? Where are the so-called laptops now? What the bill Ghana? Me say laptop no. Ya bet na apisu ya who did this Sam George a koto laptop abako. Aye 12,400. Sa laptop bi na obeto ye na wo so ana enso no. Da ba ko ye 12,400 Ghana cedis. That is how much I the bill ye. What if I would see you down comment social bisa me say, do have I got any proof? If I would see me, eja comment section bisa me say question.
I said Petro Abba for me. Abba no there, he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, Abba to me so who na ko fa wa there? What yes say? And I know asema na ka say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from no
anya aba no na de.
Oh, unti dem yeken. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no muhia ama no muhia but nanka we my no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes but say nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu kreti another environment. But say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niema we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no yen de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year, and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted. But none from the NPP. None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?